April 8, 2026. So, welcome to La Patricia Hotel. Ito po ay beachfront ng Barangay Sabang, Baler, Aurora. Sa province of Aurora. So, ayan po. Dito ang kwarto ko. Ito ang kwarto namin. Diyan. Papasok ka po dyan. Magkakaroon kami ng kwarto. And then, ito yung terrace. Ito yung pinaka-terrace. Ayan. Pinaka-terrace. So, overlooking sa beach. So, these are the terms and condition. So, if you want to inquire about this place, where you can have the beach, there's also a swimming pool if you don't like the beach. There's also a swimming pool over there. Okay, let me check. Okay, so there you go. So, there's also a swimming pool. There is amount of 50 pesos for the sustainable ecotourism. Check-in and check-out 2 o'clock p.m. Check-out is 12 noon. Okay. If you have early check-in, there is a early check-in policy. If there is a room available, you need to add 200 pesos per hour. Late check-out naman, late check-out is dependent upon the room availability. There is also an additional 500 pesos for the first 4 hours, half day rate for after 4 hours, and full rate after 7 hours. So if you only will stay for additional 4 hours, half rate. If for the full 7 hours, you will pay. Pahinga ka na. Pahinga ka na. Ikot ka ng ikot. So, yun. Now we have the sea, the mountain. Look at the view. The view is fantastic. It's very refreshing. So here, look at the coconut. Look at the coconut. Filled with coconuts. And the people nearby. There's a mountain, the sea, the ocean, and mountains. It's so nice. You will really enjoy the place here. So look. Smoking is not permitted. Swimming pool. Proper swimming attire. At 11 o'clock p.m. it will be closed. 7 o'clock open na. Swimming on the beach beyond 6 o'clock is already prohibited. Here, okay. Service reaction. Hindi ko natanong yung wifi. We have a wifi here. So, tatanong tayo kung may wifi dito.